Alright guys, so I'm doing a quick recipe. So I got some ground turkey here, some organic Grill Super Greens, one of my favorites, and I have some stew here, which is what I'm going to put in with this, and it's going to flavor it. I'm going to season this, and it'll go really well. So the stew here is actually quite simple. I already pre-made this a while back. So as you can see, it's got beans. I did it in the Instant Pot, so I'm going to put it with that. But this is just vegetarian, so that's why I wanted to add some meat to it. Get a little bit of greens in there, and then it'll go well. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. So there it is. I seasoned it all up, as you can see. So I'm going to boil it, and it's not a lot of water. I'm just going to boil it to cook up the turkey, and then I'm going to put in the stew. So people ask me all the time why I boil my meat. So when you actually boil meat, you don't actually get the advanced glycation end products, basically, which are things that would cause inflammation, cardiovascular disease, things like that. So anyways, it's just a thing that I do, but you can cook it this way. It actually still retains a lot of flavor. So I'll be back and I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Alright, so as you can see, I got my organic Grill Super Greens and the stew's in there, so I'm just waiting for it to cook up, and I'll do a quick taste test, so stay tuned. Alright, so it's all done, as you can see, and I also put some extra greens in my bowl, so I get some fresh and it gets some cooked. So let's do a quick taste test here. There it is. It's really good. You get a lot of flavor from the stew melding in with the turkey, and you get the greens. It's definitely good, guys. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions or comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.